Hi viewers, welcome to Briksham channel. Learn mathematics easily. We are going to see few problems in sequence and series. The question is, in an arithmetic series, the 7th term and the 9th terms are respectively 16 and 20. We have to find the nth term. So we are given with the 7th term and 9th term. The 7th term T7 is given as 16 and the 9th term T9 is given as 20. We want to find Tn, that is the nth term, right? We will come to the solution now. So what is given? T7. T7 is given as 16. So what is the formula for nth term? Tn is equal to A n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. N represents the nth term. Okay. So by using this formula, we can write it as a plus 7 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 6d, which is equal to 16. So we will mark it as equation 1. That is a plus 6d is equal to 1 is equal to 16 is equation 1, and another one is given T9 is 20. So which implies a plus 9 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 8d equal to 20. We will mark this as equation 2. So now we have two equations. So from this we want to find first a and d, then we have to substitute the values in this formula to find the nth term, right? So now we will take 2 minus 1. That is, by subtracting 2 and 1, we will get a plus 8d minus a minus 6d equal to 20 minus 16. Right? So here we can cancel plus a and minus a. 8d minus 6d it is 2d, which is equal to 4. Therefore, d is equal to 2. Okay. That is the common difference. So which implies d equal to 4 by 2. By cancelling this, we will get d is equal to 2. That is the common difference is 2. Now we have to find the first term a. So now what we are going to do is substitute d is equal to 2 in any one of this equation. So we can go with equation 1. So the equation 1 is a plus 6d is equal to 16. So substitute here a plus 6 into 2 equal to 16. So which implies a plus 12 equal to 16. So a equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4. Okay, so a equal to 4 and d is equal to 2. Now we will substitute these values in the formula, that is the nth term formula. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So which is equal to 4 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, so which is equal to 2 plus 2n. That is Tn, nth term, equal to 2 plus 2n. That is the final answer for this problem. Okay. The next problem is the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440. Find the three numbers. Okay. So we will find the answer now. So first we will take the three numbers as a minus d, a and a plus d. Because this is in arithmetic progression, it is given like that. So we will take the numbers as a minus d, a and a plus d. And it is given that sum of three numbers is 24. So which implies a minus d plus a plus d equal to 24. Then from this we can cancel d. Then by adding this we will get 3a equal to 24, which implies a equal to 24 by 3. Therefore a is equal to 8. First term is known. Next we want to find d. Okay. So next, what is the another statement given? The product of three numbers is 440. So the product of three numbers, that is a minus d, a plus d equal to 440. It is given like that. So now we know the value of A, it is 8. So substitute here 8 minus D into 8 into 8 plus D equal to 440. So first what we are going to do is, divide this equation by 8 first. So we will get 8 minus D into 8 plus D equal to 440 divided by 8. So it is equal to T5, right? So next, this is of the form, that is the left side is in the form A minus B into A plus B. So we can write it as A square minus B square. So by using this identity, we can write the left side as 64 minus D square equal to 55. Okay. So from this, D square is equal to 64 minus 55, which is equal to 9. Therefore, D is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, so we obtained now two values for D. So now we have A is 8 and D is equal to plus or minus 3. So from these number values, we have to find the three numbers. So first case, we will take if D is equal to plus 3. Then the three numbers are, so what we have taken the three numbers as A minus D, A and A plus D, right? So substitute the values here. So 8 minus is 5, 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. Next, if we will take D is equal to minus 3. So take D is equal to minus 3. Then the three numbers are 8 minus of minus 3. So we will get 11, 8 and 5. Okay. So these are all the three numbers. Next problem. Find three numbers in AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of whose cubes is 408. This is like the previous problem. But in the previous problem, the squares of the numbers is given. But here, sum of whose cubes is 408. Whose cubes is 408. It is given like that. Okay. So we will find the solution now. So again, we will take the three numbers in arithmetic progression as A minus D, A and A plus D. And the first statement is sum of three numbers is given as 12. So which implies A minus D plus A plus A plus D equal to 12. So we can cancel these two numbers. So which implies 3A equal to 12 and A is equal to 4. From this we can obtain the first number A is equal to 4. Next we want to find the D. So for that we have another statement. Sum of whose cubes is 108. So which implies A minus D the whole cube into plus A cube plus A plus D the whole cube equal to 408. Okay. And we can substitute the value for A. So which implies 4 minus D the whole cube plus 4 cube plus 4 plus D the whole cube equal to 408. So now we will expand. First we will simplify this. So 4 cube is 64, right? It is 64. So 4 minus D the whole cube plus 4 plus D the whole cube equal to 408 minus 64. So the answer we may get it as 344. So next we will use this identity, that is A minus B the whole cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. So we will use this identity now. So here we may get it as 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square into D plus 3 into 4 into D square minus D cube plus, and for this we will use the another identity, that is A plus B the whole cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So substitute here. So plus 4 cube plus 3 into 4 square into D plus 3 into 4 into D square plus d cube equal to 344. Okay, so here we can cancel these two terms and this one also we can cancel. And so what about this 4 cube? 64. So what is left out? 64 plus 12d square plus 64 plus 12d square equal to 344. So which implies 128 plus 24d square equal to 344. So 24d square is equal to 344 minus 128. So simplify this. So this is equal to 216. So next, d square is equal to 216 divided by 24. So from this, d square is equal to 9. D is equal to plus or minus 3. Again, so we are getting two numbers for D. So based on this, we want to find the first three numbers. So first we will take d is equal to 3. So when d is equal to 3, the three numbers are, so we have taken the three numbers as a minus d, a and a plus d. So now substitute here. So 4 minus 3, 1, 4 and 7. If we take d is equal to minus 3, then the three numbers will be, so here we will get 4 minus of minus 3, 4 and 4 minus 3. So which implies the three numbers are 7, 4 and 1. Hope you can able to follow all the three problems. If you are comfortable, kindly like, subscribe and press the bell button for further notifications. Thank you.